Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an important topic that many of us face, handling negative behavior in our children. As parents, it's normal to encounter challenging moments when our little ones display behaviors that test our patience. But fear not, because today I will be sharing 5 effective parenting strategies to help you navigate these situations with confidence and grace. Before we begin, I want to emphasize that each child is unique and what works for one might not work for another. These strategies are meant to provide you with a starting point and you can tailor them to suit your child's personality and your family's dynamics. So let's begin. Stay calm and patient. Instead of getting upset when your child refuses to clean their room, take a deep breath, stay calm, and approach the situation with patience. Remember, your reaction sets the tone for how your child will respond. Rather than raising your voice, saying calmly, I understand that cleaning your room might not be fun, but it's important to keep our living space tidy. Let's work together to make it more enjoyable. How about we play some music while we clean? Practice active listening. Actively listening to your child's perspective and emotions is crucial when handling negative behavior. Give them your full attention, maintain eye contact, and validate their feelings. This approach helps them feel understood and encourages open communication. Instead of diminishing a child's complaints or interrupting them, sit down, make eye contact, and say, I hear that you are frustrated. Can you tell me more about what's bothering you? Implement natural consequences. Instead of harsh punishments, allow natural consequences to occur. Natural consequences are the direct result of a child's action and can provide valuable learning experiences. However, ensure the consequences are safe and reasonable. Instead of lecturing or punishing a child for repeatedly forgetting their homework, allow them to face the natural consequences of receiving a low grade. Use it as an opportunity to discuss the importance of responsibility and organization. Teach problem solving skills. Help your child develop problem solving skills to handle negative behavior effectively. Encourage them to brainstorm solutions, evaluate the pros and cons, and make informed decisions. Instead of simply telling a child what to do, encourage them to come up with solutions. For example, if they struggle with sharing toys, say, how can you and your sibling work together to share the toys fairly? Let's come up with some ideas. Promote emotional regulation. Instead of only focusing on addressing the negative behavior, help your child develop emotional regulation skills. Teach them techniques such as deep breathing, counting, or taking a break to calm down when they feel overwhelmed or angry. Encourage them to identify and express their emotions in a healthy manner. If your child becomes angry and starts throwing things during a disagreement with a sibling, guide them to take a break and practice deep breathing. Say, I can see you are upset. Let's take a moment to calm down. Take some deep breaths with me. When you feel ready, we can talk about what happened and find a solution together. I would love to hear from you, so comment below and let me know additional strategies you use to handle negative behavior in your children. So go ahead and leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more on parenting tips and advice. And as always, remember that your love, patience, and guidance will make them a tremendous difference in your child's life. Until next time, happy parenting.